Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to learn how to assign seismic loads in MkaPEB. Let's get started. Let's open a previous model. File menu, open project. I will open portal frame. Our model is opened. To define the seismic loads, you need to click Load tab. First, you need to define the read information. Then you need to select where your building is located. Let's select somewhere in Europe. I pick the point and press OK. Then you need to select the seismic code. 3 codes available in MkaPEB: Turkish seismic code, Euro seismic code, and Greece seismic code. We are also working on a new seismic codes to add the program. Let's select the Euro codes. Then click the I button to show the details. Here is the Eurocode default map, and you can change its Germany because we are located in Germany. And you see the seismic zone here and acceleration rates here. You select the ground category here. And of course, you can change the S, TB, TC, and TD values. And you must select the importance factor according to your building. Then, behavior factor and purpose of occupancy of building you must select. Then, click OK. That's it. Now program ready to perform a seismic analysis. See you next video.